Embark on a visual journey through the captivating tapestry of the modern world, where intricate patterns intertwine to reveal the breathtaking beauty and boundless creativity of human expression. Mathematics in the modern world, Swarm Group 1.
Mathematics is often seen as dry and abstract subject, full of questions and formulas. However, when we look closer, we will discover the world of patterns that are both fascinating and beautiful. In the modern world, mathematics is more than just a tool for solving problems. It is a source of inspirations for artists, designers, and scientists alike.
From the intricate curves of spiral patterns to the simple repetitions of stripe patterns, there are countless patterns in mathematics that captivated our imaginations throughout the centuries. These patterns are not just aesthetically pleasing, but they are also fundamental concepts that underpins our understanding of our natural world. In this video, we will explore some interesting and important patterns in mathematics. We will delve into the geometry of tessellations, the perfect balance of symmetry, the beauty of brokenness and cracks, the beauty of complexity in trees and fractals, and so on. We will discover how these patterns inspired scientists, mathematicians, and artists throughout history, and how these continuously shape our understanding of the world.
Join us in our journey through the world of mathematics, where we'll discover the beauty of different patterns and discover the power of mathematics in the modern world.
The perfect balance of symmetry.
It is a pattern that nature has perfected and one that we can observe all around us.
The dance of growth.
This pattern are common in plants and mollusks. This pattern has intricate curves that beautifies the nature.
Spots the symmetry of beauty.
These patterns have an evolutionary explanation. The functions of this pattern serves as camouflage to animals and additional beauty to plants.
The power of balance.
It is a pattern that reveals intricate mathematical structures with far-reaching implications. It's a key understanding of the organization of biological structures and many more.
The beauty of complexity.
A network of branching shapes and self-similar structures is a testament of the elegance of power of mathematics.
The power of repetition.
This pattern is a repetition of lines and shapes, is a testament to the elegance and versatility of mathematics.
The beauty of brokenness.
A network of broken lines and fractured shapes is a testament to the beauty that can be found in brokenness.
The harmony of fit.
Are patterns formed by repeating tiles all over the surface of an object or plants and animal cover.
The different patterns in the modern world are a are a testament to the beauty, complexity,